In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this OPPO. Firstly, you need to access settings and scroll down. Now click on battery section over here and select Advanced Settings. Following that, just click on this gray sweater next to High Performance Mode and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, High Performance is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same now green sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!